As a new parent, I remember feeling so overwhelmed when it came to picking out a stroller. And on top of that, I wanted one that could work from birth into toddlerhood, and I quickly learned that not all strollers work from birth right out of the box. So in this video, I'm gonna break down some different options that do work from birth, including a Bassinet, a newborn-ready Recline, and a Pramette, and hopefully help you decide which option is gonna be right for your family. If you're new here, I'm Emily. I'm the stroller mom. I'm a mom of 3 and car seat passenger safety technician. And the whole reason I started the Stroller Mom was to help make the stroller buying process easier. And so in this video, I'm excited to hopefully help do that for you. So if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and shop through the links below. It really does help me to be able to make more videos just like this one. Now, you might be familiar with the term travel system. And what this means is you have an infant car seat that can be paired with a stroller. And an infant car seat generally is used from birth till around 1 year of your baby's life. And it's portable. You can take it out of the car and easily connect it with your stroller. Now, depending on the stroller you're buying and the car seat, you'll either get them as a set, more commonly found in the more affordable options, or you can piece them together as you'll find with some of the more expensive options out there and pair with adapters. This is nice because you can kind of mix and match and pick different brands based off what you're looking for. So now you might be wondering why you can't just use your infant car seat with your stroller and your newborn. This is because it's generally not recommended to leave your baby in a car seat for longer than 2 hours. And let me tell you, as a mom of 3 kids, that time goes quickly between like putting my baby in the car seat to then loading up our car and driving away, and then you have to get to your destination, get out. It's much better to use the car seat as a travel system for quick errands on the go. But if you're gonna be going for long walks or out for longer errands, having a newborn option with your stroller is definitely a big selling point, which is why you wanna have a stroller with either a newborn Recline, a Bassinet, or a Pramette. Now, before I jump into each of those, let's talk about why you can't use your stroller seat from birth instead of the car seat. And this ultimately depends on your stroller. Some strollers have newborn or near flat reclines that you can use the seat from birth, but a lot don't. And the reason you don't want to use a stroller seat from birth is the position of the stroller. So I got my doll here from my daughters, and basically the reason is when your baby's in a lie flat position, their airways are open. And when you start to get them in those stroller seat before they're ready, they lack head and neck control, so their heads will move forward, blocking their airways. So that is why that flat position is so important for your baby in the early days. Now, you might be wondering how long your baby's gonna need to stay in one of these newborn setups, and it ultimately depends on your baby. Generally, it's recommended from birth to around 6 months old or when your baby is sitting up. But check your stroller manual because some your baby may age out of based off weight or height, so be sure to double check. Now, if you're a twin mom, I have not forgotten about you, and there are great options in all of these categories except for the Pramette. I don't know of any double strollers that have Pramette options, but for sure in the Bassinet and the newborn ready Reclines, you do have good options, and this will pertain to you as well. Now, let's start out by talking about bassinets because this is probably the most common option you've seen around, and it's what I used when I had my babies. But to be honest with you, I did not know about the Pramette option or the newborn Recline, so be sure to keep watching because those are really cool options as well. Typically, you're gonna be buying your Bassinet separate from your stroller, but often they are sleep safe approved, which means you can use it as your Bassinet in your home as well as a safe place to stroll with your baby. This is the Mockingbird 2.0 single to double stroller, and it's actually the stroller I had with my first 3 babies. Well, the older version. The Mockingbird has a great sleep safe approved bassinet that you can use for overnight sleep. So this really can be your overnight sleep bassinet or a safe place to put your baby to sleep in your home. And then you can also take it for strolling. So it serves multiple purposes. Let me tell you, this bassinet has been everywhere with me. We did not do a lot of walking with my first baby because she was a summer baby, but I still use this bassinet a lot. Whether it was in my home or going to a friend's house or even overnight at a cabin, this gives you the option to be able to not have to bring a big bulky pack and play or anything else. You just can use your stroller bassinet, and I found that it was so convenient. And with my second and third baby, I needed an elevated space that was safe for my baby to be, and let me tell you, this bassinet came in very handy. Whether we were outside playing with the water table or inside and I was cooking dinner, having the option to have my baby close to me but also a safe place for her to sleep was so nice. Now, a bassinet Beyond being Safe Sleep approved is generally a little bit larger, so it gives your baby more space. You don't have to buckle them in. It generally has better elements to protect your baby from the elements. So like you have this cover here, as you can see, or an extension for more sun coverage, or extra airflow depending on which bassinet you get. You can see the Mockingbird has a few different options for added airflow, which is really nice. It also is washable. You have a mattress inside that you can take the sheet off and wash it, which is so convenient. Now, if this sounds like something you're looking for, be sure to check out some of my other videos where I go much more in depth on the Mockingbird stroller to hopefully help you decide if it's the right option for you. And I do have a discount code, so be sure to check that out below. Now, I do love a bassinet, but it does tend to be a little bit more expensive, and you now have this extra piece of baby gear you have to remember to bring and also store when your baby's done using it. So if you want kind of one of an all-in-one system, you may want to look at a Pramette. Now, I have gotten a few questions about what's the difference between a pram and a Pramette, because if you have friends over in Europe, that's actually what they call a stroller, is a pram. But a Pramette is a stroller seat that turns into a newborn-ready seat that looks like a bassinet, but with some key differences. And right here, I have the Joy Ginger LX. This is a Pramette stroller that is also a travel system that you can pair with any Joy infant car seat. And you have this seat that works up to 50 pounds. But this stroller has a really cool feature where with one hand and in 1 second, you can turn it from a stroller seat into a Pramette for use from birth. Some of the biggest differences is this is not approved for overnight sleep in your home and has to be used with the stroller, but it is great for walks with your newborn baby, and you do have to have them buckled or harnessed in. I did not expect to like the Pramette as much as I do. I really love the convenience of being able to use it as a stroller seat with my 3-year-old, but then also being able to have that lay flat option with my baby. And so nice to not have to bring any extra pieces when I'm traveling. It also folds so easily. I didn't mention this on the bassinet, but you have to take the bassinet off before you fold your stroller. But with the Pramette, you just need to put your seat in the forward position and then you can fold it. If the Joy Ginger LX sounds interesting to you, I do have a few videos of the Joy Ginger. This is the Joy Ginger LX, which has a better canopy as well as a 1-hand, 1-second Pramette conversion. I love it, but you'll be able to get a good idea of this stroller from my other videos. Now, another option of a stroller that is newborn ready without any additional accessories is a newborn ready or near flat recline. This is so convenient, especially for traveling, because all you have to do is recline the seat and then you have a panel that comes out and kind of creates this newborn nest mode for your baby. That's all you have to do and you're ready to stroll with your newborn. This is the Joy Nutmeg, which is a compact, lightweight travel system that pairs with the Joy infant car seat, has a super easy fold, and has the newborn recline built right into it. This is a game changer for travel because you don't have to bring anything extra with you. And because it is built right into the seat, it tends to be easier to fold and more compact. Now, you might be wondering why every stroller doesn't include a newborn recline, and I would love to know that as well. However, we are seeing more and more strollers coming out with newborn ready reclines, and I do have a blog post I'll link below where I give a list of every newborn recline stroller I could find. Something to note, as you'll see here on the Joy Nutmeg, is that it does not have a reversible seat as the Joy Ginger did, or even as the Mockingbird did with the bassinet, where you can have your babies face you. This can definitely be a downside for some. However, there are some modular strollers that do have a newborn recline. Now, the biggest selling point of the Joy Nutmeg is actually how lightweight and compact this stroller is. It weighs only 14.4 pounds, and this stroller can go anywhere with you. I use it all the time with my baby and have for several months. I love that you can easily pair the car seat on the bumper bar, which is so convenient, and you should check out my full review of the Joy Nutmeg on my channel. Now, which of these options is best for you? If you are someone who's looking for a safe place for your baby to sleep, not only on walks, but also at home, you want portability, space isn't an issue, and maybe you want that added weather element, a bassinet is a great option. If you are someone who wants simplicity, you want it all to be built in one, you're not gonna wanna store extra pieces, and you maybe wanna save a little bit of money, a Pramette may be a good option to go. And if you're someone who just wants your seat to work from birth without any additional accessories or steps, a newborn ready recline is definitely a good option for you, and probably what you're most commonly gonna see in the lightweight and travel stroller category. I hope this video was helpful. I will say all of these options do make diaper changes easier on the go. Let me know if you have any questions below, and be sure to check out my other reviews, hopefully helping you find the perfect stroller for your family.